Good morning, everyone. This is Balchandra on Adventure Explorers. Welcome to the channel. I received my BluArmor C50 helmet intercom yesterday. This is just to show you a quick unpacking of the device, and it's going to replace my C30. So I purchased the C30, I think in January earlier this year. This is the C30. It was used very extensively on our rides to Vagamon and then Arunachal Pradesh. Very handy and very useful device. So in comparison, let's see how the C50 looks like. So my order number was 12334, and I had placed the order on 26 August 2024, and I received the device yesterday, which is 12th November. If you have not received your device, you can make the estimates on when you are gonna receive the device. So it's neatly packed, and let's do the unboxing now. I had taken the Trailblazer offer, wherein they ship two C50 devices. So these are two different C50 device packages. Let's open them one by one. The packing is good, quite good. Okay, voila. So here comes the first device. Looks good. Let's throw this around over here. Yeah, so this is the first device. So this is a new C50 Pro, and the tag here confirms the integrity of the package. So just gonna remove that as well. So it opens up like a door, a magical door. And these are the package content. This is the main device. So this is the intercom. Looks very sci-fi kind of device, and compared to C30, it's very short in size. You can see that over here, and it will sit here. It's already see the magic is started. Looks amazing. So this entire piece will sit on the back of the helmet somewhere here. I need to figure out the how to put it on the helmet here. And then there are some printouts. What's in the box? The package is filled with a lot of accessories, and this is the additional mount. This will go on the handlebar of the motorcycle. This is very handy. I mean, this was a problem that we had with C30. The buttons were difficult to press. So I think this joystick kind of device should solve that problem. They are calling it T-stick, the handlebar mount. They are calling it as T-stick, and there is a guide on how to use that as well. Check that later. So this will sit on the helmet again, and this will go somewhere here, which is easily accessible to the hands. And it's a little better than the previous one. The clicks are easy and easy to locate as well. And this is the base. I think again it will go and sit on the back of the helmet. And then we have the charging kit, nice little pouch to keep your intercom when it is not in use. And then we have the speakers also, boom mic, and these are the headphones. And this is filled with the mount, various wrappers and foam, etc. I'll make another video to show how exactly I mount the device on the helmet, and at that point I'll explain all the other parts which I've shipped with the helmet as well. Keep watching. Thank you.